Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a discharge summary in a hospital. This crucial document summarizes a patient's entire hospital stay, from admission to discharge. It serves as a bridge, ensuring that all healthcare providers involved in the patient's ongoing care have the necessary information. A well-prepared summary is fundamental for patient safety and effective post-hospital care. Every comprehensive discharge summary must contain several key sections. Begin with patient demographics, admission date, and discharge date. Clearly state the primary diagnosis and any secondary diagnoses. Summarize significant findings from diagnostic tests and procedures. Crucially, list all medications prescribed at discharge, along with detailed follow-up instructions, including appointments and contact information for continuity of care. Accuracy and clarity are paramount when creating a discharge summary. Double-check all patient identification details and dates. Employ precise, unambiguous medical terminology to avoid misunderstandings. Meticulously review the medication list, noting any changes from admission. Confirm all follow-up appointments, including dates, times, and locations, and ensure contact information for responsible providers is readily available. This attention to detail prevents errors. The impact of a high-quality discharge summary extends far beyond the hospital walls. It significantly reduces the risk of preventable readmissions by ensuring patients and their outpatient providers have all necessary information. It fosters seamless communication among various healthcare professionals, promoting coordinated care. Furthermore, it empowers patients by providing them with a clear understanding of their health journey and serves as a vital legal document of their hospital course.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.